it is said that Puerto Galera was discovered by the Spaniards in the early 16th century. And not only that, they found it to be a haven for their trade ships during heavy squalls and typhoons. Hence the name Puerto de Galera, which means Port of Galleons in Spanish. Kaya pagplaruhan natin, paano natin sasakupin ang mga dapat natin sakupin.
Guys, we are now right here in Puerto Galera. Samantalahin natin hanggang tahimik pa bago dumating ang mga kalaban. Ready na ba kayo? Of course! Let's do it!
Guys! Andiyan na ang mga kalaban! Fuego! Boom!